4. Multiply. 1 is equal to 4. 4 multiply 2 is equal to 8. 4 multiply 3 is equal to 1, 2. 4 multiply 4 is equal to 1, 6. 4 multiply 5 is equal to 2, 0. 4 multiply 6 is equal to 2, 4. 4 multiply 7 is equal to 2, 8. 4 multiply 8 is equal to 3, 2. 4 multiply 9 is equal to 3, 6. 4 multiply 1, 0 is equal to 4, 0.